YouTube? This is your girl Upoma. So if you are new to this channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Today guys, I'm just going to be showing you on how to have a curly dreadlocks. As you can see, yes, these are my dreadlocks, very natural. 10 years, 10 years and months from now that I have had dreadlocks. It's just a simple step to have a curly dreadlocks. It's like to have a curly hair, so it's the same thing. The only different thing it is, this is natural hair. But anyways guys, I'm just going to show you how to have a curly dreadlocks. So yeah, let's just begin with it and let's just talk. So what I did last week, I just twisted. I did a twist. As you can see, it's just a twist. I did a twist. You see, it's just a twist. I did a twist. There's nothing special about a twist. Then you just keep it right there in J. Like, be patient, wait for it until you feel like you don't want the twist anymore. You just want the curly dreadlocks. So that's how people have a curly dreadlocks. Okay, it's just a twist. Then after a twist, it's a curly dreadlocks. So guys, let's talk about YouTube. What can we talk about? So while I'm undoing my twist, so takes time, but anyways, we'll just talk. Guys, what do you think? Before I say anything and everything, because I like to talk, I just want to say thank you so much guys for the support. Today I woke up, I reached 13,000 subscribers. Yeah. So Jay, I'm so happy for the support and everything. Okay, so the topic that I want to talk about is YouTube actually. So YouTube is a very good platform to promote your brand as yourself. What do I mean about that? Like Jay, because just like me, I always tell myself that I'm a brand, you know. It's not just Upro Mabaso, but it is Upro Mabaso. So guys, what I have seen this year and months, because my channel, I think my channel is a year and months or some sort of like that, going to 2 years. As much as they say that YouTube is not easy, which is true, but what easy is, if you have passion about YouTube and your mindset is not into the money. Or for instance, if you are in this business of YouTube, you are a small channel just like me, and your mindset is on the paper, the money, the coins, you know, so it's not going to work. Like, it's not going to work. Like, I'm telling you guys the truth, it's not going to work. What's going to work is consistency, being patient, you know, like try and do most of what you can do, and try and collect as much information as you can. Because if your mindset is in money and how much am I going to get paid next month and so it's not going to work unless you are a big channel where you know that whenever I post a video, that video reaches to 100,000 views, then yes, for you it is what it is. for you it is money, but when you're still growing just like me, God, it doesn't work like that. I'm sure to me too, in months coming, maybe, actually not even maybe, I'm talking to existence. It's called a law of attraction. Coming months, my goal now is to reach 100,000 subscribers. So when I've reached that number, for me it will be easier whenever I upload a video. Surely it's going to get views, bigger views, so I will know by that time. If I upload 5 times a week, I know how much I'll be making. So to that scenario, when you have a bigger channel, a bigger followers, it's very easy for you to just say, you know what, this thing for me is money. But it didn't start like that. Yes. So for my experience, what I have seen, a channel grows. It really grows. Like, seriously guys, to be serious with you, a channel really grows. Right now I'm looking at some of my videos, actually my older videos, the views are increasing, which makes me happy, because sometimes I'll be like, oh my god, this video just has very few views. But when times goes, I was like, look at this video, that video is doing wonders. So it's all about consistency. There's nothing else, guys. That's what I can tell you. But anyway, I'm very much open to collabs. If you are from Durban, you want to do something with me, we'll just have to figure it out. What can we do, you know? So I'm very much open to that. So yeah guys, there's nothing which I can tell you it's impossible. Nothing is impossible, everything is possible. I also started with nothing. Like I had no subscribers, you know. So then it grows. You keep on uploading, you keep on doing that. Try and see what works for you, because even if you could go to my channel, you would see that, oh my god, Pearl even does reactions, she does vlogs. Okay, she has done a prank. Okay, so now I see that Pearl is versatile. She's trying to see what can really work for her, to her channel, to get as much as possible subscribers as she could possibly get. Because my aim in these coming months, maybe down the line in 6 months, I want to reach 100,000 subscribers. So yeah, I just want to see what works, because the more views you get, the more subscribers you're going to get. So guys, that's it for the talk. Let's just do the hair. Yeah. So yes guys, I'm done undoing my twist. So it's just a matter of fact of time and how strong you want your curls to be. So what I could suggest you to do is, when you do your twist, you lock your twist, then take a few days before you undo your twist, so it becomes a curly hair, curly dreadlock. So this is my curly dreadlocks, as you could see, looking fire. So if you are new guys to this channel, please like, comment, share and subscribe.